Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Toyota C-HR XLE Premium. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger hatchback in silver knockout. And under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include your automatic headlamps and your power folding and heated mirrors with your smart key entry for your convenience. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this C-HR has to offer. Helping us inside is our proximity key. We got the lock and unlock button, plus we have our panic button as well if we hold on to the red button there. So we'll unlock once for the driver's side door, twice for all four, and you can see that we do have our signal light on our mirror as well. I'll just show you what it's like when we use our smart key system. So we're unlocked right now. However, we're going to lock it up, putting our finger on those 2 lines, and then to unlock, all we do, place our hand in the handle and we'll open it right up. We'll just check out the back seat. Have to unlock first. We'll check out the back seat again. Sorry about that. So look at the back seat over here. Some nice plush seats all the way through. And in order to bring the seats down, hold on to that and scoot it forward. Nice, easy system right there. So we have our door panel. All 4 windows are one touch up and down. We also have the window locks. We got the lock and unlock button, and then we have our automatic mirror fold system with our mirror adjuster. And just to the left of the driver's seat, we've got our lumbar support and then our levers to adjust our seat. See that we have our fuel cap release right there, and then we have the dimmer switch for our instrument panel, and then we have the automatic headlamps as well. So we'll start it up. All we have to do is press the brake and push the start button and just wait for that beeping to stop. We're going to be using the right hand side of the steering wheel to navigate through the multi-information display in the center of our instrument panel. So we'll look at a few things here. So this is our main screen. We've got our fuel consumption rate, and then we have our distance till empty. Lots of different things over here. Eco indicators. We have our G monitor, how we're doing through the corners. We have our compass. We've got our music, some alerts as well. So we'll go right back to the main portion right there. Also on the right hand side, we've got our lane departure alert system, and then we have our dynamic radar cruise control, and right behind the right of the steering wheel, we've got our real cruise control set right there. On the left hand side of the steering wheel is our entertainment system module. We've got the hands-free calling, we got voice recognition, and then we also have our volume button with channel selector and mode selector. So we'll check out our entertainment system over here. Right now we're on our home screen, and we will pop these lights on so we can see what's going on. There we go. So we're on the home screen. We can look through our menu. The top right hand side, you can see the projection right there, and that is for our Apple CarPlay. If we plug in an iOS device, we're going to be able to use all of the applications that work in sync with our Entune system. That's our maps, our Spotify, pictures, messages, anything like that. So we'll look at our audio system, AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary, and we can reorder those however we need to. There's USB 2 as well. And then if we use our maps, all we'll have to do is install the navigation. But like I said, with our Apple CarPlay, we can use our maps that are preloaded on our phone, and looking through our apps as well, downloading that in the InSuite account. Looking at our dual zone climate control, drivers and passenger side operated by these paddles right over here. Intensity is right in the middle, function as well is right in the middle. Then we have our front and rear defrost. We have our heated seats on the passenger and driver side over there. We can also sync to the driver's temperature if we need to, or we can turn that off and let them be individual. And then you can see it just faintly, but we have a USB and auxiliary port just inside there. As well, we also have our gear shift that can go into manual mode if we need to, just popping it over, giving us some control over our vehicle. Pop that into reverse, and we'll check out our backup camera. That's a pretty crisp view of what's going on. We'll just focus in right there. It's a nice little picture. And then we have our automatic park brake that goes on. All we have to do to turn that off is be pressing the brake, pushing it down. Park brake is disengaged. To engage, we pull up. We also have the brake hold, which is a nice little feature. You'll have to come in and check out yourself. And then we have traction control as well. So here's our center console. We have a hidden 12-volt DC outlet inside there. And then a little further down, we've got our glove box that we just push our little button in. We can pop whatever we might need inside there. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. Before we hop into the cargo area of our C-HR, a few things to show you. We do have that shark fin antenna, as well as that pretty sweet looking spoiler right there with the light bar just underneath. You can see it on the lip. Just below the Toyota emblem, we've got our backup camera. So we'll open right up. And you can see that we do have our privacy screen with some indentations in case we need to pop anything on top there and not let it roll around too far. With the 60/40 splitting rear seat as well, in case you needed any room for anything large back here or longer. And then we've got some D-rings as well if we need to strap something down, make sure it doesn't roll around. Just based on the left and right hand side as well. So we'll close right up. Let's take a last look at our 2019 Toyota C-HR XLE Premium. Some other features include your Apple CarPlay and your Toyota Safety Sense. That includes your blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you. Come in, take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.